Hey folks, if you're craving cozy comfort food but want to level up your nutrition game, I've got something you'll love. Today, I'm making Rutabaga mash, vitamin C rich, low-carb alternative to classic mashed potatoes. Comfort food, but smarter. All right, let's get right to it. First, what's a rutabaga? It's that big, waxy root veggie you've probably walked past in the produce aisle. Peel off that rough skin. Underneath, it's golden and earthy, packed with vitamin C, packed with fiber, and way fewer carbs than potatoes. So, here's how I do it. Grab a couple of rutabagas, peel off that thick skin. Don't be shy, it's tougher than a potato. Chop them into cubes, about an inch or so. Toss them in a pot of salted water and bring it to a boil. You want them fork tender, about 20 minutes. Once they're soft, drain them well. You don't want a watery mash. Now, here's the fun part. Grab a masher or use a hand mixer for extra creaminess. I like to add a splash of olive oil or a knob of butter, maybe a little garlic if I'm feeling fancy. Season with sea salt, and for a kick, a sprinkle of chili flakes. That's it. What I love is the subtle sweetness and a silky texture, but it feels lighter than potatoes. Plus, that vitamin C boost is perfect for keeping your immune system happy, especially when you're craving something warm and comforting. So next time you're thinking mashed potatoes, give Rutabaga a shot. It's easy, it's delicious, and trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. If you found this smart comfort food swap helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty ideas, and drop a comment if you try it. Let me know how you finish yours. See you in the next one, and happy mashing!